Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope you guys doing well. I'm late as usual. I had to go out to today I'm working, so I have to go away. Before I go, it's very hot in the UK. So I had to water my plant. So I've got like a allotment. Whoever lives in the UK, they must know that what is the allotment. So I had to water my plant. Otherwise they would have died. Today is very hot. So now the question is where are we? I didn't have chance to even look at it. So we'll do a little bit of analysis. So there is a gap there, 1 hour. Now they already created some sort of technically we are bullish, but yeah, they already taken out previous week high. So now today is Friday. This is a very big range. Are they coming down to finish this gap, or they're gonna create a gap? That's what we need to see. So now they're trading today's opening price. So let's see how they react. So initially, if you ask me now, I want to see how this 4 hours candle close. Are they gonna look, this gap became a breakaway gap and they left it. Are they gonna today come to test it and stay like around the new week opening gap, or they will extend? That's what we need to think, I think. So if they go high, only this area is left. I can see they already traded this one midpoint. Okay, so now I was thinking to, like, remember yesterday I said it exactly the midpoint they came and then they did this retracement. Yesterday I think I left, and then after that retracement happened, if you remember yesterday. Why I'm on 15-second, man? I have to go 1 minute, otherwise I'll lose my sight. Okay, yesterday's this retracement I'm talking about. So remember yesterday I even marked out this gap. This gap was blue gap. I think if you check my sorry, I've got work today, so I'm like not that happy. So yeah, here look, midpoint they came and then they give you reversal. So then from there to sell it to come here, it was a 15 minutes gap, what I discussed with you on yesterday. I hope you remember. There was like, I marked it like this gap, I said either this gap or this gap. So if you target that area from there, how much point it was a good area, when they created this reversal from the midpoint of the daily gap. Anyways, today overall we are bullish. So this 15 minutes, now they traded this low. The question is that can they stay like this? Then the next candle we can sell them to maybe to come back to this gap what we are showing from the 4 hours. Or if they go back to, like, trading here and then they want to go back and close there, that is possible as well. Okay, so this high didn't take out. Look, there is one here, there is one there. Are they gonna take it today? They could. So yeah, they already traded this area. Let me see what is in 1 hour. Sorry, I'm not prepared today. I'm just doing it just to do it because I have to go. So remember yesterday I was marking this high, 1 hour high. There is a 1 hour high there, and then there is another high there. There's a gap there, lots of things there. Do I think that today it will take out that? They can, but I would be happy if they come down as well a little bit. From here easily they can do everything. Okay, so today Friday we got a news around 10 o'clock. We have Michigan sentiment. I didn't even open my, let me open my and log into my account as well. Let me do a little bit of trading if I can. Alrighty, mighty. Trade about. So this one now reversing. So yeah, you can say, oh, this is a 1 hour gap. So they came to trade. Now the question is, will they go up? Look, they created, you can trade like that, but this area, and they taken out yesterday's high, and then they trading like this. What am I expecting? Nothing. I have to just wait. This one could be a buy if you think this way, like let's say this area with ES and NQ, I think there is a SMT here, as far as I remember. I saw it in the morning. Let me see. Yeah, look. So they got like a kind of SMT there. So can they go high from there? Yes, based on ES, because they are bullish. But can they do a little bit of deep retracement around this area? They can, but the question is how they're gonna do next 15 minutes. Okay, so that will be the fine things. So I'm just checking. I'm just checking it. 1 hour, this gap, remember? So they came back to trade this one, and then they gone high, and then they came back to just to trade this one. So these are all order block they created by closing there. So now this was the retracement. This is bullish. They already closed on the top of 930. All these highs, they can easily go. But from here, if we try to buy it, I don't want to buy it from here. I should have bought it from there when they shown sign, when they came back, created gap. But I didn't trade. So today is better, because I did quite well with the Apex this week. I mean, I'm already halfway down there to pass the account. So I'll try to, like, if I don't have to trade, I will not trade. Because I have to go within another hour. I have to just leave the house. So still we'll see how you could trade this one. I told you, like, maybe they close down on the top of new day opening gap. They have this high to take. They got more high to take. So this would be our target. And this one already created that one. So this one was a Judas swing. So this one will give us a confirmation of the 15 minutes, next 15 minutes candle. So this will be a, so then if they close here, look, 15 minutes close, oh no, 15 minutes didn't close yet. So now maybe this one will take out these highs. Continuously, bang, bang, maybe. Everything is bullish. So now they've taken out this high. How will they give you an entry from these two gaps, three gaps? But should I take it? I can only take it with the continuation. If they create an order block here and then they close on the top of that, then I can do that. Other than that, it will be just buying the top. So if now they've taken out this high, and then they can easily do anything. So I've got 15 minutes left. So question is how this 15 minutes can, sometimes they can even go down as well. From there, lots of people will buy it, but you have to take a risk. But the actual entry will be if they come here and then close on the top of that, then I can just confidently buy it. Other than that, is like it can easily, because they've taken out this what is it called, short-term high, and then they can just come down here, previous week high. Look at this, how ugly the candle becoming. But I mean, they can do anything. Okay, so that's why I'm like a little bit cautious. Let's see how they do. So this one now taken out this high and inverted this gap. Okay, so if you are bearish as well, you can sell it from there as well, but I'm not bearish, do it. So only if they close on the top of that, we'll think about it. If they close underneath there, I'll try to sell it. If I want to sell it, I've got lots of areas there. That's a previous week high. But if they can support there, from there they close it, we'll try to buy it as well. Let me log in, man. I'm not even logging in, I'm talking to you, man. That's the problem of recording or live streaming. I think this is so difficult. I'm sure the people always have problem. Oh, this Google Authenticator, man. So now if they close here, let's say, so this will become a continuation order block. So they didn't close in one go. So now what are you expecting? So next candle can even take out this high. So if they take out next candle high, this one, there is no entry. Let's see if they can close. This one is better to close within one go. Sometimes they don't do it. So it will be 1 minute order block. If they don't, just ignore. Because this high need to be taken, see. Sometimes I enter from this kind of area, but then problem is that, then you have to put the stop loss here. So from here to there, if you take a stop loss, let's say, let me see. If it is a long from here, yeah, 20 points, not bad actually to get, let's say what you can get, the high of this one. Or let's say if you target there, it will be 1 to 2. Yeah. But these are risky, like then you lose 35 points because it fall. So now they confirm this order block. Now entry can be any of this area. So let's say if they came here, this could be the entry, and the stop loss definitely has to be under, but then 33 points to get what? 1-to-1 trade. So 1-to-1 trade, do I want to take it? So look, they can even further come down. So 930 tests back again. Nowadays they're doing like there is no clear move, So look, technically this is the order block. They should not take out this low at all. So now if they take out the close under here, then what should I think? Are they bearish or bullish? So now they already closed down. So my, under these two series of candles. So this is bearish became. So now this trade, I don't know if I can keeping it. So I have to be out. This one became bearish right now. Now the question is, will they create a gap here? So, but I should have come out here. So normally what I would do, I would just, rather than how much I'm losing, I'm 20 points, 18 points, now too much. It's just like I'm not, this one is just, that was not. Now they closed here, they taken out this high, the first time they taken out, second time they this became to me like they can go deep down. At least this low should take it. So now they created a gap here. Better to wait for the news because I think until the news they will trade like this, like slowly. Good thing that I didn't take any trade yet. So that order block failed and this one is now active. Can you see? So now they didn't close, So one candle closed, another candle didn't close. So this one is another problem. Okay, continuation failed and now they're trying to do another continuation. So let's say that one I got to stop out. Will I trust this one? This is the way. Short-term trading, I have to think this way because when they like do this side, that side, let's say when they're consolidating, short-term trading got problem. The problem is this one. Look, now they got a gap here. So you're going to forget about this gap a little bit later because they will go this side, they'll go that side. So I'm watching. They already inverted this one. So now the next question is that can they close on the top of that? Or they're going to further do a continuation here. So both side is working. So that means they're consolidating, okay? Because they're waiting for the news. So better to stay away from it for the time being. But then better to, I think, initial plan to keep it is better idea. Not both side trading. So I'm not shorting, I'm not doing anything. Let me check it. Very, very problematic price action. You know, the market condition, like few days ago, maybe month, 2 months ago, the price was so clean, like whole day is to move. Anytime you just open your chart, you could trade because they're continuously moving. Nowadays, like it just go up for a while, then go down for a while. So this is a different market condition right now. So this is another things to, I think we need to learn that different market condition, we have to trade differently. We need to adjust our risk. So these kind of things I'm gonna write it down for myself, and I'll definitely gonna practice. I'm just like working. I'm so busy. So let's say today I'm going to work. So like my head is saying don't trade. Then in the meantime I'm feeling like, oh, if I don't trade, I'm gonna miss out. Nah, nothing to miss out actually. Anyways, I'll see if I have any trading, because I told you I just already did well with my Apex this week. So I'm ready for both side to trade. So now what they're doing, they're just accumulating. Okay. So now how the 4 hours will be closing? That's the important part. Look, the 4 hours is closing bullish. So if they close like that and they come back and hit this one, I would be like very happy to buy it from around this area after the news, because 4 hours didn't do it. 4 hours what they made a order block. This one is a order block. I mean, kind of order block. It's not like a perfect one. This one traded the new day opening gap. So no, not really. So they came down. Actually, this low, if they came here, it would be the best order block. But now I'm not sure. It can just take out this high. That's the only area they can do. So this one didn't do continuation. Okay, so there is no point of unnecessary keeping it. Let me see what are the highs there. Only the daily high I can see. Another high is there. After that, there is nothing left. Okay, so if they can close on the top of this gap, I mean, what I'm not thinking this week, I hope they retrace back around this area. But 1, 2, they came down, then 1, 2. So this is candle. This one is the 1, 2. Yeah, it can be like today. I told you, like one, two things can happen. Is like close like a with a maximum pain, or they can retrace back to the little bit of the range and they wait for next week to take out all this high, because this gap is now active, this gap. So daily gap, that's what I'm watching. But we got 3 minutes left, 4 hours. Let me see how they close. If they close like this, do I think that next candle can come and tap it here and then go? Because this one was not an extension candle, this 4 hours. So next 4 hours will be extension candle or not? That's the question. So 1 minute left for the news. So this 4 hour actually stayed confused. 1 2 they closed it on the top of that. Can the next candle come here? Is the world already stopped, isn't it? So it was better not to get involved too much with these things. Okay, 60 seconds left, they're closing here. So if they close here like this, I can expect a week to be at least like there, or tiny bit there maybe. Yeah, that much is enough. If they have to go up now, if they give me closure, or if they want to go down as well, I'm ready for that. So how is 15 minutes doing? 15 minutes closed down here. So that means this one, look, this candle became a order block. So now what they say in Michigan said 3.3, 4.3, 51. 51 is the sentiment. Sentiment is not that good. So what? Inflation expectation is high for next 1 year. 4.3. They're expecting it to be 4.3. 5-year inflation 3.3. So it's a sticky, isn't it? Who cares? We trade technical. So now this 15 minutes candle close down here. So this one, if they close down, doesn't have significance. You know why? Because this one, if I like it if they take out that high and then they close down, I can trust it. So now this 15 minutes candle, only I can trade like with the anticipation, but I don't, because they trading from today's opening price. Okay, so this low already taken out everything except this low. So if they now try to trade down, can I trade downside up to this area, let's say today's low? Yeah, I can. But if they go high, is more like, preferable. Let me see 15 minutes what they did with the 15 minutes. Yeah, selling downside, it need more evidence. It can just fall from here because they came up. This one you can consider as order block, but there's something I cannot consider it because this one didn't take out any liquidity. If this one taken out liquid and closed down like that, I would have definitely, this week I would have traded, but I can't. Now you have to again sit down and wait. So today I don't think so I'll have chance, because normally I can trade until only thing I can do now, I can wait for next 15 minutes to show me a sign. Let's say if this one close on the top of that, maybe next candle I can trade. But from here, if I trade, it will be like an anticipatory trade. Can get chopped out. So now let's say this one came down to today's opening price. So now they closed again, traded again to 930 price. So 930 price, what they did? Okay, 830 was there, so they traded, they came down, they went high back again, they came down, get support from today's opening price, and now will they go up? take out all these highs and create gaps, will I be able to buy them? Why not? We will, but they need to show aggressiveness from this kind of area. Like until they do like this, we can talk about, let's say yesterday, how they reacted this kind of area. Look. So look, daily high, previous day high. Sorry, this is the yesterday's price. I didn't change it because I didn't do any research today. When they go through it, look how they went through. 1 minute, bang. Do you understand? So this means they want to break it. The new previous week high, how they broke it, bang. So that means they left this area. So when they came back, look, they came back up to there. They didn't come back here. Because this area, they broke it. They don't need to come back anymore. They're just gone. So today as well, they did not come back here yet. So now they're showing sign. Let's see if they got that aggressiveness what we are talking about. Because that's what I'm saying. This one I cannot trust it. If this candle close, the next candle maybe I can trade. But this one as well, I could have anticipated it. Look from here. Where if they close after that, I don't know how to do that. But I can take a trade just like that, short, boom. Because they closed on the top of 8:30, 9:30. Now if they create a gap here, should I take a short? With a little amount, I can do that maybe. Let's say this one, if I take it long, where could be my stop loss? Here 16, yeah, this one is my stop loss, and all the high, I'm going to anticipate this area. Okay, so this could be a trade. Let's see if they go up like this. Only thing they can do now, they closed already, because this one now became the order block, 1 minute order block. Let's see. But if they want to do like a, what is it called, consolidation, they can do it here. They can do this consolidation now. I hope they take out all these highs. Just low hanging fruit target, this one. So they're trading now the rejection block of this high is going to be significant, because this one taken out, 930 is high. So this high is very strong high. So from here they can even fall this rejection block. So that's why they're doing reaction from here. Because if they take out this high, means they're going up this time, according to me. So now they created these two gaps. Question is, can they come and, yeah, this is a good, this could be an area to trade for sure. So now this candle need to close on the top of that. Question is that is only 10:07, this gap need to hold. This gap is very important. Next candle can come, just test 8:30 if they have to go up. If they go down, then that means they're consolidating. Okay, so because now what they did, I don't know, highest they can come little bit like to test 8:30 maybe, if they want to go high. I don't want them to even come down. I want them to go. Hopefully they go. If they go down here and then come this area, and that means they want to consolidate. Simple as that. So they now traded. That's enough, I would say. They should not come down anymore. Look at this. This is not good. They are trapping us. I didn't like it. They traded down there, but still, I have to keep my thesis of going up for the time being. If they have to go up, they should go up from here for a while. Or if they want to, like, let's say consolidate, this is the area. If it fail, means they're consolidating now. Yeah, they're trapping people. So now let's say this one inverted, this one, like, so what do you expect? Do you understand? Like already, like, okay, still now 930 holding. I mean, they already inverted. You understand? So this is the problem. Look again, now they're trying it to regain. I mean, like, seriously, like, do you see the price, what they're doing? This is like absolutely rubbish price action nowadays. Better to just run away. So I'll get a stop out for sure here. Looks like it, because how they traded is just gonna come and stop me out. Absolutely rubbish price action. So you cannot buy it, you cannot sell it. Okay, so we got to stop out here. So now what they're doing? So this high they couldn't take out. Okay, so that means they are still on the same place. They created a gap here. Are they gonna regain? Absolutely rubbish. Look, no power, nothing. They don't want to go down as well. So that means they just consolidating. This is the things happening for the last few days, and all of a sudden the move will come. You'll see crazy move will come. Look, want to go down? Doesn't want to go down. I'll go down, but not now. Okay, later on. So what kind of trading you want to do? 10 o'clock, the market is not moving. Do you understand? Like, look again, coming back up. So what they're doing? Trying to trap people. I don't understand them. Look, they came here, how they stopped? They should have gone through, no? With this high, they couldn't take it, so now they're stopping. They should take out this low, then if they have to go down, or if they want to go up again. Man, such a painful trading day. Absolutely rubbish. You cannot confidently buy or sell nothing. Like now they've taken out this little swing low kind of things, let's say flat candle. Now what they're doing? They're going back again. Do you understand? So this is the situation. This market is just rubbish. Now they're regaining because they've taken out this low. Crazy. Now they've even gone back. It's very difficult market. I said it, like, the market changed a little bit. I mean, lots of people say, oh, market never changed, market is same. But look at this price action. Is it like, did you see ever like at silver bullet time like that? So now they can even go back up. So, I mean, if somebody says this is not difficult market condition, I don't know. Like it will consolidate until 11 o'clock. Then after 11, there'll be boom moving. And then I'm not there. There's lots of people leave, after 11. Come on, fucker. I feel sorry for that. Sorry for my French. If they have to go down, why they don't go down, man? What the hell they're doing? Are they serious? Do you have any respect for anybody, man? So these are all consolidating, look at this week. 15 minutes, if you check the 15 minutes chart, you will understand what are they doing. If they're confused.com, they don't know what to do. The economy doing well, everything, datas are right, then but other things are not right. So I mean, like, what are you gonna do? Let's see what's going on. 30 years, 2.2365. So high side of the yield is going high. So I mean, buy, sell, everything. 1 minute left to 10:30. Sorry, 10:15. So trading under 9:30, and then they're trading like a dead man. So what is the next candle? What the next candle will do? Are they coming up there back again, regaining it, or just trying to go down? Look, if they have to go down as well, they should have this 15 minutes candle should have done it. Now they're doing it. Do you trust them? Are you trusting them, man? Ugly. Now I think I can sell it. Maybe, I'm not sure, but they have to be fast now or never, because this is ugly price action. If you don't go down and take out some kind of a things, it's gonna be ugly. This new day opening gap, so if they could go through it, they can easily get support from there as well. So that's what I'm saying, like, anything can happen. Okay, ugly price action. They should have gone through. If they had to go like quickly down, they would have gone down, but now they got supported back again by the new day opening price. Bro, they're just ugly, man. If they go through new day opening gap like fast and furious, then maybe we can see a run downside. But they're not doing it, you see. Ugly. Come on, man. Do something. Or otherwise, let us go. Can't trust these guys. They're not doing it, see. They're doing like that here. So this one they're holding. So they're not taking down this gap. So looks like they should take down this area. Yeah, they're taken out. Okay, I came out with one. I don't know why they're not running, man. I think this time they did it. Question is that how big this will be. The next two candle, can they do it? They're holding again. Everything is holding, man. Okay, so now they've taken out this low. This gap is still there. Okay, so they again hold it in this gap. So they need to go through quickly. If they need to give up this gap if they want to go down. If they have to go, like, they should have go fast. I don't know why they're not going fast. So now they're there. What they can do now? Okay, so now they're running. Good job. These lows are now target. Let's see if we can find further entry. this gap will be our decider. Are they gonna come to today's midnight price? I don't have time, man. Quickly do it. Go through it, bro. Bro, just give us. Go through. Yeah, go through. Downside. So 67, 60. Or are you gonna play around here? Yes, taken out. Okay, good. So at least recovers tiny bit. So the things they're doing, what we already discussed. Okay, so now this candle, how they coming 4 hours. Do you think they're coming back to this gap? That's the question. Okay, so this is the high, could be our target today. If they're falling from there, I don't see any reversal point. Any kind of sell is better option, I would say. Do you think this from here they will be bullish? No way. I need to find out a way to sell it. I already sold it, but I had some loss, in the initially. So I just recovered it I sold it from here and then I came out here. I know I couldn't show you, I'm sorry, because I was doing with, when this kind of things happen, I don't like it. So now any kind of selling opportunity, let's say this is 15 minutes, okay? Do you think they're taken out this one and they'll be bullish right now? So let them come around this area, then we'll see. But they're taken out this low, that's the problem. I can sell it from this kind of area, but need to wait for tiny bit. Another 10-15 minutes, 10 minutes maybe. So they came here. I want to see next candle. What is it? 22. Let's say around 22. This gap, this became significant now. This 1 minute gap. 1 minute. FVG. So from here as well, you can sell it with the continuation here. Like a sell stop kind of trade, I can do it, but I don't know. I would rather wait for them to give me a little bit more retracement if they can. But this one is enough to trade from here. If you want to sell it, where can be target this area? Look, one, so around 70 points. It can be possible. It can possibly do it. See, they're coming back again. Come up. Come up, next candle. So now 22. Run. 22 is a dangerous candle. See, they're taken out the liquidity. Anyways, I can stay only another few minutes, so then I'm going. So yeah, this gap it created. So now they came down. Look at this. There is no clear run. But if they slowly grind down, they might come here. That's what I'm saying. Because 4 hours, they came that deep. Do you think this one can be a bullish candle up there? I mean, they're taken out this high and they're coming down like this. They're taken out this low as well, and then they're closing maybe. Let's see if they can close under this one. So this is today's midnight price. Yeah, they closed it under. So yeah, if you want to sell it, that was the option to sell. These are the option to sell. But look at the 15 minutes candle, how ugly they were. So what they did, this one closed down, then they dragged in. I didn't like it because if they taken out this high and then they fallen like that, I would have 100% sell it from this area as well. But remember, when they were there, I said it like this high is very important, because this high was the high. They taken out 930 high and then they fell. So the rejection block is very, very important. Do you understand? So this, when they were there, remember I was talking about this area. I said if they don't break this high, that means nothing else. They can fall from there. So understanding this, and then they didn't hold on the top of 830, so they broke down. They inverted. Sell from there is the one of the best option to take out this low, this low. After that, this low, and then now you can anticipate today's low. That's it. And then yesterday's significant price. There are lots of people bought it from there. Okay, it's when they came down. So these are the area can be target. So I today have to go back to work. So I don't have now time to think new idea. I don't want to create new idea. The idea was like this. Okay. So if they have to go up, I had targets. If they come down as well, I had targets. So I was trying to buy it. I didn't have a chance to, I couldn't make money. Then I sold it and I came out here. And then I actually made tiny bit. I'm happy with that. The week was not bad. I'm halfway down the, for the Apex. So hopefully I can pass next week or another 2 weeks. I don't know if I take a big loss or not. Next week as well, I'll try to pass some, not pass, I'll try to trade with some Lucid and my top step. So then let's see how it goes. So the next 1 month's target would be to get as many account as possible and then trade the funded account. Okay. So I think I have to leave you because you enjoy. So today could be a critically they can do they can retrace back there and then they can again go up. So overall bullishness, but cautious about the market will be the best option to do because they are not moving nicely. They're going down for a while, going up for a while. So be careful, stay safe, and I'll talk to you again next week. Take care. Bye bye.